Hey folks, I'm Jerry, product specialist with ATBBQ.com, and today we're going to check out the new Yoder Smokers XL wood-fired oven. In late 2022, Yoder Smokers released the wood-fired oven attachment, which truly changed the game in outdoor cooking. The wood-fired oven system works directly with Yoder Smokers pellet grills to create a dual-zone cooking environment inside the cooking chamber. You get strong bottom heat from the stone and then powerful top browning from the flame above. With models available for the YS640, the YS1500, and the Cimarron, the new XL oven is 17 inches across at the stone. Unfortunately, that means it's not available for the YS480. The extra-large kiln-fired cooking stone holds more heat across a wider surface, so you have added thermal mass to maintain consistent temperatures, allowing you to cook pizzas back-to-back without losing performance. That extra space means you can cook up to 16-inch pizzas, as well as fit larger pieces of cookware inside the oven, including this 15-inch Lodge carbon steel pan. Setup is simple. You just place the heat management plate in the bottom of the grill, set the dome on the plate, place the 3/4 inch stone inside the oven, and then place the extra grate that fills in the space on the side. Now all you need to do is preheat your stone and you get the performance of a wood-fired oven with the control that can only come from a pellet grill. This allows you to focus on your food and not your fire, which makes for a more enjoyable experience for everyone. You can learn more about the Yoder Smokers XL wood-fired oven and shop all of our other products at ATBBQ.com.